Hello. Now let us write some notes in that. If not 1, if gt is even, then gt is equals to g minus t, and rfg tau becomes ft convolution gt, that is nothing but convolution. And we discussed it that correlation and convolution look similar, but they are not exactly similar. The mathematical equation is similar, but the physical significance of correlation and convolution is totally different. Correlation is the relation between or similarity between two different signals, while the convolution is a process of getting the output when an input is passed through a system. So these both two are totally different. So let us find out. Let's do some numericals regarding this. The question says that we have to find correlation between ft and ft. So it should be ft convolution f minus t, and this convolution is called, this correlation is called autocorrelation. If correlation between two signals is called two signals like ft and gt is called cross correlation, and correlation between two signals is called autocorrelation, and it is represented as, इसको डबल एफ से नहीं रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, it is represented as f tau, r f tau. ठीक है, तो इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो इसको कैलकुलेट करने का मैंने आपको पहले आर एफ टॉप वुड बी, पहले जो हमारे टाइम इंस्टेंट्स हैं वो लिख दो. इसके बीच में 1 है, इसके बीच में 1 है, तो ये स्लोप एज इट इज 1 और 1 आ जाएंगे. जो ये स्टेप्स थे ये स्लोप बन जाएंगे 1 और 1, and then it would be 1. So this is nothing but, इसकी विड्थ कितनी है 2, So R f tau is equals to triangular 2 tau. We can also calculate this thing by using the formula R f tau is equals to inverse Fourier transform of f omega into f minus omega. As convolution becomes the multiplication, so RF tau will be inverse Fourier transform of f omega into f minus omega. So what is the Fourier transform of this? It would have been minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, 1 f dash t, and this is the shifted version of this. So it would be f t plus 1 by 2 minus 1 0 1 f dash. So we know the Fourier transform of this one, area into sampling of omega width by 2. So what is area? 1 into 1 1, sampling omega width is 1 by 2, and the Fourier transform of this signal would be e to the power j omega 1 by 2, omega just 1 by 2. Okay, and for the signal 0 to 1 f minus t, it would be sampling omega by 2 e to the power minus j by 2. So ft convolution f minus t would be sampling omega by 2 e to the power minus j by 2 plus j by 2, sampling omega by 2 e to the power minus j by 2. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आपको मिलेगा सैम्पलिंग स्क्वायर ओमेगा बाई 2. So you have finally RF omega is equals to sampling square omega by 2. You need to calculate RF tau. So it would be nothing but so you can use any of the technique in time domain or in frequency domain. Next, let us find another question. Autocorrelation of e to the power minus at ut. So we know ft is equals to e to the power minus at ut. F minus t would be e to the power at u minus t, and r f tau would be ft convolution f minus t, and r f omega would be f omega into f minus omega. So here we can find Fourier transform of it 1 upon a plus j omega, and here we can find 1 minus j omega. So RF omega would be multiply these two, a square plus omega square. Now we need to calculate RF tau. We know that e to the power minus a mod t का फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है 2a अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर, तो 1/2a e to the power माइनस mod t का फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म होगा a square plus omega square. So we can find RF tau would be 1/2a e to the power minus a mod tau. Answer. Now let us find the similarities between the two questions we solved. Earlier, RF tau was -1 to 1, and in this case it is like this, e to the power at e to the power minus at tau. What are the similarities? Both the signals are even. First thing, this signal is also even, this signal is also even. Second thing, at 0 it is maximum, and on the other hand these both two are decaying. So first note 1, RF tau is always even signal. First, it means RF tau is equals to RF minus tau. Second thing, note 2, autocorrelation of any signal will be maximum at tau is equals to 0. So we can write it like this: RF tau is maximum is equals to RF 0. Point number 3, RF0 represents the energy of the signal. RF tau represents the energy of the signal. It means RF tau maximum is equals to RF0 is equals to energy of the signal. Next, Fourier transform of any autocorrelation is nothing but energy spectral density of signal, यानी कि RF omega is equals to energy spectral density is equals to यही तो था हमारा एनर्जी स्पेक्ट्रल डेंसिटी. So energy spectral density of any signal is equals to f omega into f minus omega. It means f omega whole square. What is energy? Minus infinity to infinity ESD d omega, or 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity d omega. Next, point number 5, autocorrelation of any signal decays as t tends to infinite. जैसे जैसे आप tau infinite की तरफ जाएंगे वैसे वैसे सिग्नल डिके होगा. ठीक है. सो RF tau for tau tends to infinite is equals to 0, or limit tau tends to infinite RF tau is equals to 0. ठीक है. Point number 6, cross correlation of any two signals is given by RFG omega is equals to F omega into G minus omega, or we can write F omega into G star omega. Next, point number 7, symmetry property says RFG tau is equals to FT convolution G minus t and rf, sorry, gf tau is equals to gt convolution f minus t, and it would be rfg tau is equals to rgf minus tau, or rgf tau is equals to rfg minus tau. This is always valid, hence this is called symmetry property. Point number 8. Above all formulas are valid for energy signals only. For periodic slash power signals, RFG tau is defined as 1 by 2t, limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t by 2 to t by 2, or if take it minus t to t f t gt minus tau dt. Where ft and gt are periodic signals and rf tau is defined as limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t to t ft f t minus tau dt. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 are valid for any power signals. Equation 1 and 2 are valid for any power signals, while if ft and gt are periodic with period t, then rfg tau becomes limit t tends to infinity 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2 ft gt minus tau dt, and rf tau becomes limit t tends to infinity 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2 ft, ft minus tau dt. तो क्या फर्क है, अगर हमें ये नहीं बताया कि, या अगर एफ टी और जी टी का टाइम पीरियड टी नहीं है, 2t है, 3t है, t/2 है या कुछ भी है, तो हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। अगर उसका टाइम पीरियड एफ टी और जी टी बोथ आर पीरियोडिक विद पीरियड टी, देन हम ये वाला इक्वेशन यूज करेंगे। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं। एफ टी इज इक्वल्स टू ए कॉस ओमेगा नॉट टी प्लस 5, where omega naught, where t is equals to 2 pi by omega naught. So we can find RF tau is equals to 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2 a cos omega t plus 5 into a cos omega naught t minus tau plus 5 dt। सो इसको लिख देते हैं 1 बाई 2t माइनस टी बाई 2 टू टी बाई 2, और यहाँ ए बाहर आ जाएगा, ये वाला ए 2 कॉस ओमेगा नॉट टी प्लस 5, ए स्क्वायर आ जाएगा कॉस ओमेगा नॉट टी माइनस टॉ प्लस 5 डी टी। 2 कॉस ए कॉस बी इज इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर बाई 2t माइनस टी बाई 2 टू टी बाई 2, 2 cos a cos b is equals to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, तो it would be cos omega naught t plus 5 cos a plus b omega naught t minus omega naught tau plus 5 plus cos omega naught t plus 5 minus omega naught t plus omega naught tau minus 5 dt। You will get a square by 2t minus t by 2 to t by 2. Here it becomes cos 2 omega naught t minus omega naught tau plus 2 phi and plus ये dt आ गया 2a square by, sorry, a square by 2t minus t by 2 to t by 2 cos omega naught tau dt। इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आ जाएगा प्लस ए स्क्वायर 2t साइन 2 ओमेगा नॉट टी माइनस ओमेगा नॉट टॉ प्लस 2 फाइव माइनस टी बाई 2 टू टी बाई 2 डिवाइड बाई 2 ओमेगा नॉट प्लस ए स्क्वायर 2t cos ओमेगा नॉट tau into t। यहाँ t से t कैंसिल हो जाएगा और ये वाली वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी। so you will get a square by 2 cos omega naught tau। This is RF tau। इसमें लिखेंगे नोट autocorrelation of a cos omega t plus phi and a sin omega t plus phi is always a square by 2 cos omega tau। हमें लिमिट लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी इसमें यहाँ पे, क्योंकि टी की टर्म में आया ही नहीं, कैपिटल टी की टर्म में, तो इसलिए लिमिट लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी। नेक्स्ट, नोट नंबर 2, ऑटो कोरिलेशन ऑफ एनी पावर सिग्नल is always even। Third, autocorrelation of any power signal is maximum at tau is equals to 0। Fourier transform of autocorrelation of any power signal is nothing but power spectral density। So RF tau is equals to, sorry, RF omega is equals to PST। Next, point number 5, time period of autocorrelation of any signal is equals to time period of periodic signal। and power signal। सो हमने देखा कि आर एफ tau is equals to a square by tau cos ओमेगा नॉट tau। तो अगर हम इसका फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म लें तो क्या मिलेगा? ए स्क्वायर बाई 2 cos ओमेगा नॉट क्या हो जाता है? पाई बाई 2 cos ओमेगा, सॉरी पाई बाई 2 नहीं, पाई cos ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा नॉट, ये डेल आएगा, डेल ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा नॉट डेल ओमेगा माइनस ओमेगा नॉट। So this is nothing but the power spectral density. जैसे एनर्जी स्पेक्ट्रल डेंसिटी के साथ एनर्जी का रिलेशन होता है, वैसे पावर स्पेक्ट्रल डेंसिटी के साथ पावर का रिलेशन होता है। ठीक है, सो दिस कंप्लीट्स your Fourier transform. From the next class onwards, we will start Laplace transform, and we will see what was the need of going from Fourier transform to Laplace transform, what is the advantage and disadvantage of Laplace transform as compared to Fourier transform, and we will discuss this in detail from the next class. So I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.